Hello, my lovely creatures. Long time no see. How are you all doing? Please pardon me, forgive me. I've been unavailable. I don't know how to explain it, but I've been very, very busy. As you see me like this, I just came in from work, went and removed my clothes that I work with, and wear this one. I've not taken my bath because I usually do night shift. Okay, so it has been very, very. I don't know the right word to use to qualify that, but whatever it is, I'm so sorry. So what am I here today? Just a quick one. I said let me do this before I go and take my bath. And what I'm going to show you guys, what I'm going to use. I've not been using the deliver days. They delivered it for over 3-4 days now. I've not opened it, so I decided to do unboxing. And after unboxing, I'm going to use it. That is what I'm going to be using for the moment. So I decided, okay, let me share it with you. Let me open it with you so that you all be aware that yes, one of our own is into this product, is into this business. Don't mind me, I'm overwhelmed. I'm trying to finish up so that the little one will just let me go. Okay, so actually I received this package. If you know her, is DeChi family. Sorry guys, DeChi family. So I got this from her. I ordered it and it was delivered about 3-4 days ago. If it was, I think it was yesterday I told her that I got it. I've not been able to update her because I have been so, when you say busy, I will say that I will do something before it's something else will take it up and all that. Please guys, please help me. Although I try my best to manage my time, but I think I'm not good enough. If you know how I can do this, please let me know. Kids go to school, I had to sleep, I had to do it, because if I don't sleep in the night when I go work, it's going to be terrible. Coupled with my my health, I'm kind of battling high blood pressure. I've been taking some series of medication that it refuses to go down. It's even the one they prescribed for me. Whenever I take it, my legs swell up. So I don't know what to do right now. I don't just know. So any advice, just leave it at the comment section. I will really appreciate it. I'm taking one now. I have taken one already and I need to sleep. I'm not supposed to, whenever I take it, in fact I need to go to sleep. So I've taken it. I want to do this, take my bath. The kids have taken their breakfast. I will quickly take my bath, arrange them, just go and sleep, even if it's 2 to 3 hours before I can take them out. All right, so this is it. Let's go ahead to open it and know what is inside. So we are going to open this. I don't know what's in it. Although I ordered some things. Not that I don't know, but she said she added. She told me that she added some other things which I have not seen. So it's in two bags. All right. So let's open it and see what's inside. She just packaged it in a way that nothing will touch it. Okay, I'm going to be opening it. I love her packaging. It's so amazing. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open this one to see what's inside. Look at that with the love. It's so beautiful, so nice. So let's see what's inside. Okay, I got, this is a face acne for face. Okay, it's a cream, not really for cream. I think you take it if you watch. I have lots of acne, and lately for a couple of weeks now, 2 to 3 weeks ago, it has been so bad. Look at those, look at here, it has been bad. So this is one for it. So I'm going to be trying it and see how it works. Okay, since I've been spending a lot of money, it will work after a while. The face go back to its position again. So I don't know, will I say its position, will I say to the pimple level, whatever. So, and this one is lightning glow. I think is an oil that you drop in the face cream. I don't know, it's oil, it's 2 of them. So use this and directions. So apply twice a day for better results. Okay, nevertheless, I am going to be using it. So I just want to show you guys, this is it. So I'm going to use it and I will come back to review it. Not 1 week, not 2 weeks, but I'm going to try it and see how it works. Actually, I have gotten some of these before when we newly moved into UK. So it was in London. I was in my friend's place when they brought it. Unfortunately, when we are coming back, I forgot it. It was my friend that ended up using them. So I won't really say, but I'm going to try them now that I have kind of partly settled down to see how it works. These two are oil for face or for entire body, and this is vitamin C syrup. I'm going to try them on. I'm not going to go into details of the ingredients and all that. Is when I use it and it works okay and all that, I'll come back to review it and I will tell you the ingredients that is in it in case you want to go for it. Okay, so the next one we are going to look at is going to be this one. I'm going to hopefully you can see. She told me that at the process of the package, the process of shipping or something, some of them, like this one is face wash. Okay, if you watch if you watch here, the here is has a little bit of damage in the label, so it's on the process of shipping. All right. So as long as nothing happens inside, I have no issues. Okay, so it's face wash, and I'm going to be using it. Mama, stop that. You see, when I see wetin I dey see, she's shaking the light now. I don't know why. So I'm going to be using it twice a day, this face wash. And this is for acne. Me and acne, we are 5 and 6. So I've been trying it. Mama, don't touch it, please. I've been trying a lot of things to get rid of it. But I pray this works better. Okay? And the other one we have, pardon me for this video, I just want to quickly do, because this thing has been sitting down in the kitchen for past 3-4 days, and I need to use it because I want to open it first with you guys before I go ahead to use it. But I've not really had time to open it now. Probably I'm not doing it how we should, but I promise you, whenever I'm going to review them, I'm going to give you more details on them. But if you want to get it, they are all pure organic. Just feel free to get across to her. I will leave her link at the description box. Get in touch with her. She's going to give you whatever you want. Okay, and this is body cream. I say this body butter helps to hydrate, moisturize, and improve the skin tone to revive its natural glow. So this is it. The ingredients are here. Like I said, I'm not going to go into more details. I just want to do this, take my bath, go to bed, because I really need this. Okay, so please ignore the noise. I'm begging you guys, ignore. The girl not allow me rest. So I'm going to use them to take care of myself. And after a couple of weeks, I'm going to come back and tell you how these things work. I believe that they are going to be fine since they are organic. I pray so. So after that, I'm going to tell you guys how it works. If you like this unboxing, yes, it's unboxing. If you like this unboxing, please give it a thumb up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I beg of you, consider hitting up that subscription button there. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I post any video. I'm fast because I just want to get it done. I'm so sorry about that. And if you're a content creator, make I tell you now, if you're a content creator, you subscribe and you notice say I know they post video lately, which you don't know why, can't they take up your subscription? I take go beg you, no return them again. Carry your wallet, they go. I don't want, no be by force, no follow me again, no subscribe again. They your own JJJ. This 2023, I don't want headache. If I notice you, if I know who you be, nobody say I no go on. Nobody say I go unsubscribe. I go block you. I beg, take your wahala, take your subscription. They go. I take God beg you. You hear me? I beg make una no vex. Thank you for watching. And do take care of yourself. I'll catch you on my next video. Bye for now. And do take care. Bye.